Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking 5th standard science subject. And the answer is seed dispersal? No. Reproduction? Yes. The correct answer is reproduction. The process by which a living thing produces more of the same kind is called a reproduction. Next, the baby plant remains attached to the dash. Given options are stems, cotyledons, leaves. And the correct answer is cotyledons. The baby plant remains attached to the cotyledons. Cotyledons store dash. Cotyledons store dash. Given options are food, water and air. Food, water and air. And the answer is food. Cotyledons store food. An example of a seed having two seed leaves is dash. An example of a seed having two seed leaves is dash and the answer is P. An example of a seed having two seed leaves is pea. Next, a plant that has buds on the margins of its leaves is dash. A plant that has buds on the margins of its leaves is dash. Given options are rose, bryophyllum, coconut. Rose, bryophyllum, coconut. And the answer is bryophyllum. A plant that has buds on the margins of its leaves is bryophyllum. Next, an oviparous animal dash. An oviparous animal dash. Given options are lion, snake and elephant. Lion, snake and elephant. And the correct answer is snake. An oviparous animal, snake. Next, the number of stages in the life cycle of cockroach is dash. The number of stages in the life cycle of a cockroach is dash. Given options are 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. The number of stages in the life cycle of a cockroach is 3. The correct answer is 3. The number of stages in the life cycle of a cockroach is 3. Next, the young one of a cockroach is called a dash. The young one of a cockroach is called a dash. And the answer is nymph. The young one of a cockroach is called a nymph. Next, part of the bird egg that provides food to the growing baby is the dash. Part of the bird egg that provides food to the growing baby is the dash. Given options are albumen, yolk, and shell, and the correct answer is yolk. Part of the bird egg that provides food to the growing baby is the yolk. Next, an example of a mammal. Given options are lizard, frog, whale, lizard, frog, and whale. And the answer is whale. An example of a mammal is whale. Next, the egg of a cockroach hatches into a dash. The egg of a cockroach hatches into a dash. Given options are pupa, nymph, and larva. Pupa, nymph, and larva. And the correct answer is nymph. The egg of a butterfly hatches into a dash. The egg of a butterfly hatches into a dash. Given options are larva, pupa, and nymph. And the correct answer is larva. The egg of a butterfly hatches into a larva. Next, the egg of a bird hatches into a dash. The egg of a bird hatches into a dash. Given options are chick, adult hen, and pupa. And the correct answer is chick. Next, the joints that join the bones of the skull are dash. Given options are immovable joints, hinge joints, and movable joints. And the correct answer is immovable joints. The joints that join the bones of the skull are immovable joints. Next, the long bones of the leg are dash. The long bones of the leg are dash. Given options are spongy, heavy, and hollow. Spongy, heavy, and hollow. And the correct answer is hollow. The long bones of the leg are hollow. Next, the bones of the rib cage are dash. The bones of the rib cage are dash. Given options are flexible, immovable, hollow. Flexible, immovable, and hollow. And the correct answer is flexible. The bones of the rib cage are flexible. Next, a pivot joint can be found in the dash. A pivot joint can be found in the dash. Given options are elbow, toes, and neck. Elbow, toes, and neck. And the correct answer is neck. A pivot joint can be found in the neck. Next, involuntary muscles can be found in the dash. Involuntary muscles can be found in the dash. Given options are arms, heart, and legs. And the correct answer is heart. Involuntary muscles can be found in the heart. The arms and legs are together called the dash. The arms and legs are together called the dash. Given options are limbs, leg, and arm. Limbs, leg, and arm. And the correct answer is limbs. The arms and legs are together called the limbs. Next, frogs are grouped under the category of animals called dash. Frogs are grouped under the category of animals called. Given options are amphibians, mammals, and molting. Amphibians, mammals, and molting. And the correct answer is amphibians. Frogs are grouped under the category of animals called amphibians. Next, a seed is covered and protected by a covering called the dash. A seed is covered and protected by a covering called the dash. Given options are cotyledon, seed coat, and dicotyledon. And the correct answer is seed coat. A seed is covered and protected by a covering called the seed coat. Next, seeds of plants that have two cotyledons are called dash. Given options are dicotyledon, seed coat, and monocotyledon. And the correct answer is dicotyledon. Seeds of plants that have two cotyledons are called dicotyledons. Read and practice it. Thank you.